Currently on the screen is a look across a 24-hour period of the sun. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. Another look at the Windy website, 1 or 2 models and a wind feature across the next 4 days. The Bureau of Meteorology doesn't have any information to read that low pressure system off the New South Wales coast. However, the Bureau of Meteorology is also reporting a weak 1012 hectopascal low to the south-southwest of New Caledonia. And you can see the area of interest. It's also worthwhile noting that the Sydney region overnight received another severe thunderstorm which impacted air traffic control operations by knocking out certain radio communication frequencies. For my own personal position, I'm a senior member of the communications group known as the Australian Citizens Radio Emergency Monitors, and they have their own website, the latest satellite view, and you can see that activity over the coastal region of New South Wales. I've got my thinking cap on when the last time radio frequencies in the aviation arena were actually knocked out. I know that the telecommunications was impacted on via the tropical cyclone Yasi, ex-tropical cyclone Oswald, and tropical cyclone Yasi saw Telstra's entire mobile telephony network knocked out in the Cairns region. This is the latest precipitation look for the Australian, Southwest Pacific and the Indian Ocean region. Satellite view of the Western region. The Bureau of Meteorology in New South Wales office has cancelled their marine wind warning for the Illawarra coast. A frost warning is currently in place for the Mallee Wimmera Northern Country, North Central, North East, South West Central, West and South Gippsland and the East Gippsland forecast districts. A frost warning is also in place for the mid-north, Witherland, Murraylands, the upper south-east forecast district state of South Australia. Marine wind warning is currently in place for the Beagle, Bonaparte, North Tiwi, Arafura and Roper Group coast up there in the Northern Territory, and a similar warning for Friday. Latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide and possible areas of interest. This is a look at the ECMWF model, and I'm looking at low pressure. When viewing weather models, the information does change and caution needs to be applied. Could we see another low pressure system off the Queensland, Southern and New South Wales Northern region? Latest Himawari 8 satellite view, Solomon Island region. Force 13 is always looking for people that would like to be part of our technical team and membership. And look at the upper level of divergence, or it could be the lower level, wind shear. And at this time of year, it's very strong over the Australian continent. And look at that area in red. A 24-hour shear tendency. And the scales at the bottom of the screen. The 850 millibar vorticity, and you can see the red to the southwest of New Caledonia, and a little bit of yellow New South Wales. This is the latest 12-hourly rainfall outlook provided by the Bureau of Meteorology. And again, look at the area in green and blue. It looks like it tracks up towards the southeast corner of Queensland, remaining offshore and tracking northeast. Now this is another look at the 12-hourly rainfall. And again, the Port Macquarie region. And it tracks up along the coast, up as far as Lismore. Total forecast of rain across the next 8 days, and look at that area south of Moreton and Stradbroke Islands, down along the southeast Queensland, northern New South Wales coast, and you can see how it veers offshore. But look at that area in purple and pink. And look at instability across the next 10 to 12 hours. Precipitation of view in 3-hour blocks out to at least 10 AM Friday. And the precipitation total, bottom left hand side of the screen. Now we look at wind across the same period, and the scale, bottom left hand side of the screen. The wind speed is in knots. Himawari 8 Papua New Guinea loop.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.